Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Maura, and today's session is on the Cisco Unity voicemail platform and CUPS, that is Cisco Unity Unified Presence Server, right? So I will give you the brief of that, like what it does, what are the features, and what type of the architecture it has, right? So let's begin this session further. Cisco Unity platform, right? So Cisco is having a voicemail platform that is called Cisco Unity, and it's a unified messaging platform which integrate with telephony and the email systems to provide user with message services, uh, like the voicemail messages, right? And even along with that, it sends the email to the user to get the email notification, right? And if anyone is looking for the wave file of the voice message, that is also can be achievable in Unity voicemail platform, right? Along with that, it has some features like greeting and the auto attendant. So that is the inbuilt feature of the Cisco Unity voicemail. So as per the definition, I'm going through this first, and then we'll uh, give you the about more information on this, right? So the modern equivalent is Cisco Unity Connections, which runs on the same Linux box, or like Cisco Unity Unified Communication Operating System, such as CUCM, right? So that means it is on the same platform where CUCM works, right? It has Linux base, right? And then Cisco Unity voicemail is designed in a highly available mode, like publisher and subscriber mode, and it can be scalable, and it can integrate with other applications like CUCM and other information applications. It also supports multiple user access method via IP phone or via web inbox, via cell phone. They can call into the Unity voicemail platform and the Jabber and email interface, right? So this is the definition or basic information of Cisco Unity voicemail, and the main informations which I can highlight is like it can be used for receiving the voicemail, listening to the voicemail from their phones, emails, and the web browser, setting up the greetings. If someone is out of office, they can set up the greeting from the Unity voicemail and handle the call routing. Like if someone has auto attendant configure on the Unity, uh, it can route the calls to the CUCM or on any specific hunt group or any specific extension, right? And the key feature, it has the voicemail, auto attendant, unified messaging, right? And it it can integrate with your Outlook. It can send the recorded message, right? And it can integrate with your Active Directory, CUCM, SMTP email notifications, right? LDAP for authentication. So how what is the call flow for this? Like if someone is calling to your extension, right? And if you are not there, the it will route to the calls to your voicemail, right? And there it plays the configured greeting like Rahul Moria is not available. Please leave the message after the beep, or you can customize that message in the Unity voicemail platform, right? And then whenever anyone sends the message, it stores that in the internal database, right? Also, if you want the email notification or wave file, that is also achievable from the voicemail platform. And as per the administrator, like if you are working in organizations and you have to maintain the Unity voicemail platform, right? And for the beginner, you need to understand like how you have to add the voicemail boxes for the employees, how you have to reset the voicemail pins, right? configure the greetings, and create call handler like auto attendant, right? And link extension from CUCM to Unity, and monitor the status like port or storage or service status in the Unity platform. So these are the beginner expectation from the L1 or L2 engineers, that they are should aware of this information, right? And what end user can do with the voicemail, right, server, they can listen their voicemail from the desk phone for the mobile phone, and they can also access it from their email if that is enabled, right? And there is one more feature, that is speech recognition feature, that also works with the Unity voicemail platform, right? So that is a thing which you can perform or you can do from the voicemail platform, right? Okay, so this is the basic overview, like what are the components, like publisher, subscriber, and what are the features, right? What you as an administrator you can do on the voicemail platform maintenance, right? And what features it can provide to the end users, right? And the same way, the other component it has is like the cup server, that is presence server. It also act in the same way like publisher and subscriber, right? And it's installed on your Linux based system. So what it does, it enables real time awareness of user status, like available, busy, in call, or don't disturb, or offline mode, to the users, right? For example, if you are busy on a call, right? If and your colleagues wants to connect with you, they can see the presence things on their Jabber application or their desk phone. For example, if you can see over here, status bar says that this is green, that means this user is available to take the calls, right? Right. It also provides the instant messaging, presence information exchange, right? So that means it has the presence server has the chat capability, and that chat can be persistent or non-persistent, that depends upon your requirement. And also it's capture the information of the desk phones, like off, hook, ringing state, and that it present on that its database. So overall I can say the presence server, it shows you the online, away, busy status, in a meeting, on a call, offline, that present information of a user to you or your colleagues, right? And it also provide the instant messaging system, that is from the Cisco Jabber or Webex app, right? It can integrate with the Webex app, and you can perform the instant messaging from there also. And that chat, that can be persistent or not persistent, right? And also you can use uh, Cisco presence server for the file transfer, right? And integration part, it can integrate with your Office 365 or Microsoft Exchange. uh, it can also integrate with the LDAP or Active Directory, and it also can integrate with Unity voicemail and CUCM. So the key components of this is it's give you the state of the calls, presence features, right? And the database, it store the database of the call chat history, right? And the technical features, I can say that it has the presence engine, which capture the phone status, calendar informations, desktop or mobile activity, and Jabber phone status, right? And there's a protocol that works on this is XMPP or SIP protocol. XMPP is for the messaging and the presence, and SIP or is used for the integration with CUCM. And as per the deployment, it can have one server for the small offices or two nodes as it works in a cluster, right? And up to six present server you can configure for the large enterprise environment. And the security perspective, it works on the TLS encryptions, secure messages, right, and authenticate via LDAP. And why companies use Cisco Presence Server? It's provide enterprise secure messaging, and it can integrate with the desk phones, Jabber or the CUCM application, right? And it improves the communication and reduce the call attempt. If you want to connect with someone, you can call them or just type the message, right? And it supports the compliance and logging, and as an administrator you can manage it centrally. So these are the basic informations of the cups, right? So later on might be I will cover what are the, as per the technical expertise, what information you need to configure the cup server, right? And that's all for this session. I hope you like this brief information of the Unity as well as the cups present server. And if you need any input or any query, just mention your inputs on the comment box, right? And I would like if you subscribe and like this channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye bye.